Every off-road vehicle should have some sort of tools to accompany it. It's just common sense. Dora's bed is loaded with tools and recovery equipment such as a tool bag, a high lift jack, tow strap, shovel, traction boards, and a battery bank. What we are going to focus on today is the Irwin tool bag crammed into the back corner here. Let's get this out and see what's inside. Okay, here's this big pouch. It weighs about 55 pounds. It's probably heavier than it needs to be, but I like tools. So here we go. On the outside, we'll start with the back. This is the side that faces the cab of the truck. We have a bag of zip ties. And we have two of the same ratchet straps. Towards the front, this is the side that is visible when you first open the tailgate. In this first pouch, we have a mini screwdriver set. We have some Allen keys. We have some writing utensils. We have a magnet. We have a box cutter. And some electrical tape. The middle pouch, we have a tire repair kit. Definitely want that on the trail. In here, we also have a valve core tool. Finally, the last pouch, we have a tire pressure gauge from Slime. We have some spare batteries, spare AA batteries. We have a D-ring. And we have two of the most commonly used socket sizes for lug nuts. 19s, which is on Dora, and 17s, which is on the wagon. Mustang also has 19s, but I never put this tool bag with the Mustang. Next, we'll start with this first main pouch here. Start off, we have a cob light. It has light there and a flashlight here. Very handy, and with magnets on the back and a hanging tool. We have a whacker stick. We have the strap. If I ever need to try and carry this bag, I have a strap to hold it with. We have a hacksaw combination kit here. Hacksaw, drywall saw. We got a tape measure. We have a multimeter. We have a drill. Impact driver combo kit. We have the charging dock for those Bosch batteries. We have a multi-screwdriver here. And we have some electrical repair stuff. So we have fitting ends, we got heat shrink, we got butt connectors, we got spade connectors. We also have a test light. We have some spare spark plugs and some spare spark plug wires for Dora. Then I also have a fuel can tube. Not shown in here is a set of fuses I keep in the cab of the truck. All right, let's move on to the back kit here. I'm going to rotate the bag for easier access. In here, first things first, we have a tool roll. This tool roll has channel locks, vice grips, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, wire strippers, wire crimpers, crescent wrench, 1/4 inch bit screwdriver, lineman's pliers. I call these dikes. They are side cutters. Some hose clamp pliers, some regular pliers. Sorry, these are just hose pliers, regular pliers, and some hose clamp pliers. This is a bit kit, which has any bit I could ever need, and some drill bits. So I also threw in a 1/4 inch bit to drill bit adapter. That sits right in there, nice and tight. Yeah, this lid likes to pop off sometimes. We have some rags. We have the other end to our hacksaw kit over there. We have a torque wrench. We have a whole bunch of metric wrenches, all the way from, I believe, 7 or 8 millimeters to 19 millimeters. Some more rag stuff. We have a 1/2 inch breaker bar. We have 1/2 inch ratchet, 3/8 ratchet, 1/4 inch ratchet. We have some bit kits here. We have some Torx bits here and some smaller 1/4 inch bits. We have more 1/4 inch bits here. Here's all of our adapters and extensions. We have 3/8 extensions, 3 inches, 6 inches. We have a 3/8 wobble, and I believe this is a 1/2 inch to 3/8 adapter. We have the rest of our Torx bits. We have a 3/8 to 1/2 inch adapter, and then some 3/8 sockets here. All the other adapters, and then we have bit adapters here as well. And then a 1/4 inch extension. We have a really long 3/8 wobble extension. And finally, we have 1/2 inch metric sockets. We have 1/4 inch deep metric sockets. Then we have 3/8 deep sockets and the rest of the 3/8 shallow sockets. That is a lot of tools in this kit. Are all these tools necessary? No. You can get by with a lot less, but when you're out on the trail, there's no way they can come and help you. You have to be able to fix your own problems. I'd rather have extra tools than not enough tools. I'm planning to add this Bosch Impact to the bag in the future. I'm also planning to build some sort of tailgate storage setup. There will be a video on that when it happens.